In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. First, open your Microsoft BI app on your desktop and head into one of your reports. With the report open, look to the left toolbar and switch to the table view. This view lets you work directly with your tables and columns, making it easier to see exactly what you're changing and how your data is structured. Next, right-click on the table you want to adjust and choose Edit Query. This opens the query editor where all your data shaping happens. Think of it as a safe workspace. You can make changes, preview results, and nothing affects the live report until you apply and refresh. It's a good idea to make changes methodically so you can track what you've done. If you need to correct or standardize values, start by replacing them. Right-click a value you want to change, select Replace Value, type the new value you'd like to use, and click OK. This creates a repeatable step that will automatically replace matching values every time your data refreshes. It's a great way to fix typos or unify labels without touching your source file, and it ensures consistency across future updates. You can also duplicate a column to create a working copy. Right-click the column, choose Duplicate, and you'll see a new column appear. Duplicating is helpful when you want to experiment with transformations while keeping the original intact. To keep things clear, rename the new column by right-clicking it, selecting Rename, and typing a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. Clear names make downstream modeling and visual building much easier. If a column isn't needed, you can remove it to streamline your model. Right-click the column and click Remove. Fewer unnecessary columns can improve performance and make your fields list easier to navigate. Remember, every change is captured as a step in the editor, so you can review or revert if something doesn't look right. Update your data as much as you'd like. When you're satisfied, go to File at the top right and click Save. Enter a file name that describes the changes, then click Save again. After that, click Apply to commit these steps to your model. Now go back to your Power BI report and click Refresh on the upper ribbon. This pulls the latest results from your query editor into the report, ensuring visuals and calculations reflect your updates. That's it. You've edited queries, refined columns, saved your work, applied changes, and refreshed the report with confidence.